This video is a step-by-step guide in connecting and setting up the MDVR-8 and 360-degree system. Let's begin. Step 1. Connecting the MDVR-8 tail. Start by connecting the tail of the MDVR-8 system. Once connected, locate the first 5 channels. You'll need the 360-degree host for cameras and for splitter cables 1 to 2. The splitter has 2 ends, one for the DVR and the other for the 360 host. Step 3. Connecting the front view camera. Take the front view camera and connect it to the main connector of a splitter cable. Attach the DVR-labeled end to channel 2 of the DVR. Channel 2 will display the front view camera feed. Connect the other end of the splitter to the 360-degree host's front view input. Step 4. Connecting the rear view camera. Use a second splitter and connect the rear view camera to its main connector. Attach the DVR-labeled end to channel 3 of the DVR. Channel 3 will display the rear view feed. Connect the other end to the 360-degree host rear view input. Step 5. Connecting the left view camera. Take the third splitter and connect the left view camera. Attach the DVR-labeled end to channel 4 of the DVR. And the other end to the 360-degree host's left view input. Channel 4 will display the left view feed. Step 6. Connecting the right view camera. Repeat the process with the fourth splitter and connect the right view camera. Attach the DVR-labeled end to channel 5 of the DVR, and the other end to the 360-degree host's right view input. Channel 5 will display the right view feed. Step 7. Connecting the 360 display. Locate the 360-degree screen cable labeled 360AHD to _OUT and connect it to channel 1 of the MDVR-8. Channel 1 will now display a combined view of all 4 cameras.
当人消失的时候，它就会回到整体显示，然后加第一路。
Step 8. Testing the system. When the system detects motion, the 360 display will zoom in and highlight the detected area with a red marker. If no motion is detected, the view will return to normal. Step 10. Configuring the DVR. Ensure the DVR is connected to the network. Set the DVR's reporting IP address and device number. Additional camera options. The remaining 3 DVR channels can be used to connect additional cameras, such as 3 1080p or 720p cameras. Your MDVR-8 and 360-degree system are now fully integrated and ready to use.